Hey, welcome back, guys. So on my channel, I just talk about most things that have to do with Uber or Priuses. And then on this particular video, we're going to talk about how to check the odometer reading on your Toyota Prius. So let's go ahead and get started. So the odometer reading, why is that important? That just shows how many miles you have put on the car, or maybe you're going to be buying a Prius, you want to check to see how many miles on it. So there's a couple of different ways to do this. So the odometer is going to be here on the dash. So I have a 2013 Prius. Yours might be a little different. I'm not sure. I'll try to leave some information in the comments below. And if you have more information on that, be sure to leave a comment and let us all know. But here's where you can find the odometer. See where it says trip A, and mine says 334.2. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to change the setting on the screen. It's really easy to do that. And then that way we can see what the odometer reading is. So what you want to do is here on a 2013 Prius, you got these little buttons here. So this is the one you're going to look for, trip. So each time you click trip, it's going to switch to a different trip counter. I believe that there's 3 total, but we'll go ahead and go through that. So I'm going to go ahead and put my finger on this right here, and then see right there where it says trip A. I'm going to press the button now, and you see it switched over to trip B, and it shows how many miles I have supposedly until I'm empty. And then I'm going to press it one more time, and it turned it off. And then once again it switches to ODO, odometer. So as you can see on this particular Prius, I have 97,671 miles, and I came to that number just by pressing this trip button here. So I'm going to go ahead and put my finger on it again and then go back here. Okay, so you can see it says odometer. I'm going to click it one more time, and then it switches to trip A, which carries more information about this particular trip that I have saved. I haven't reset it since I filled up on gas, but that is how you find the odometer reading for a 2013 Toyota Prius. If you happen to know if this applies to other years, be sure to leave a comment below. But hopefully you liked the video. If so, click thumbs up, and thanks a lot for watching.